In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new expense category in QuickBooks Online. Whether you found it challenging to organize your financial data or you've noticed a need to categorize your expenses more specifically, setting up a new expense category can greatly enhance your financial management experience. So, let's dive right into this straightforward process. Begin by ensuring you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, turn your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which serves as your settings menu. Click on this icon to open up a range of options. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Products and Services and click on it. This section is crucial, as it lists all the categories and options available to tailor your financial organization. As you navigate through the Products and Services section, direct your attention to the top, where you'll find a button labeled More. Clicking More opens a context menu, and within this menu, you'll discover an option called Manage Categories. Click on Manage Categories to proceed. This brings you to a comprehensive overview of your current expense categories, showing you how your finances are being tracked. To create a new category, find and click on New Category. This action opens a window where you can enter the details of your new category. This step is particularly important because it lets you customize the category to fit your distinct financial tracking requirements. For instance, if you frequently engage in business travel, setting up a category like Travel Business can help distinguish these expenses from personal travel costs, allowing for a more detailed tracking of your finances. In this newly opened window, you'll notice a text field labeled Name. This is where you'll type in the name of the new category you wish to create. Choose a name that's easily recognizable and relevant to your needs so that sorting and tracking expenses in the future becomes a breeze. Once you've finalized the name, take a moment to review your choice. A quick verification ensures that everything is as it should be before saving your work. Now, take a deep breath. You're almost at the finish line. The last step is simply to save your new category. Go ahead and click the Save button located at the bottom of the window. With that, QuickBooks will automatically add the new category to your list. And just like that, you've skillfully created a new expense category, all set to organize your transactions more effectively. Congratulations on a job well done. You've successfully customized your financial tracking system, making it easier to manage and review your finances in QuickBooks Online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore our other videos for more tips and techniques to make your QuickBooks experience even better.